Okay, so we're live. Let me pause these, clear my screen real quick. It's a really simple day today. Oops. It's a very collaborative day today, talking about project 5.2 critiques. So the prerequisite, except I do have audio. Good. Prerequisite for this assignment, this part of today, is that you should have at least some progress on 5.2 completed. Because remember, we started that earlier this week. You've had plenty of time to start. If you haven't started, you need to get on it because it's due tonight. So, bless you. Here on your thread, we're going to be, I have not a worksheet exactly, but it's kind of like a note-taking graphic organizer sort of situation, which is this form right here. So if you go to Project 5.2 Critiques and download this form, it's got the same naming style as assignment 4.2 did. So you can print this, or not print it, download it and fill it in on Word. Or alternatively, if you would prefer a paper copy, I have a couple left over from first period, and I can always get more if we need more. So your first thing for today is a reminder about peer critiquing before we get into it in actuality. Remember, your goal is not to tear apart the other person's design. Your goal is not to prove to them how much better yours is than theirs. And these aren't things that happen in class, but it's sometimes what can come up in a critique sort of scenario. The purpose and the goal of this activity is to understand how other people are going to interpret your design. So since graphic design is one of the only art forms that a ton of people are guaranteed to see, you want it to make sure that your message is being clearly transmitted and that you get some valuable input from the people who are actually interacting with your design. So if you'd rather have a paper form, come up to my desk and I'll give you the ones that I've got thus far. And then the remainder of your day is working on finishing up 5.2. This is your last in-class work day, so you'll definitely want to do that sooner than later. And on the topic of that, you have an upcoming deadline, April 15th. That is the Monday right after break, I believe, if I check my time real quick. It is indeed. So actually, I don't know. I can't think right now. Yeah, it's the Monday right after break. So anything assigned before April 15th will not be accepted after April 15th. So if you've got some stuff from Unit 1, Unit 2 kicking around that aren't quite ready, you can work on them over break or turn them in as is, but they will absolutely not be accepted after April 15th. Do not ask, because it is no. Okay? That is your deadline on the 15th. Don't forget that. Anyway, you have your form. If you'd like a paper one, come up here. Take these critiques. These are just kind of generally, I actually kind of explained the process. Sorry, I forgot that stuff. You have your nearby neighbors or partners of your choice. You're just kind of taking notes on their design. So if you just do the person next to you, you'll put your notes for them in partner one. They'll put their notes for you in partner one. And then you guys will exchange copies when you're finished so that they have some notes answering these questions about how you could improve your design or how things could be changed or what they notice, what they don't, stuff like that. And then on the third page of this document, sorry, I went full autopilot mode and forgot to explain the actual document. There are some open-ended question starters. So these will allow you to actually speak to your design and understand other people's designs a little bit more so than just, how did you do this? I did it like that. Did you use this tool? Yes, right? There's more valuable conversation to be had by using one of these open-ended question starters. Does that answer your question? Okay, what's up?
Will you be turning this in?
No, these are notes for you. You do not have to turn them in with your design, but it's helpful to actually do as part of the process. Make sense? Does anybody have any other questions? Okay, if you'd like a paper copy, come up here. I will get you one. Yeah, we'll go from there. Thank you for listening.